Goodness, those claws.
I know. You know, most cats would by now realize there's no milk coming out.
It's still going. Is he slobbering on you? It sounds like he is.
Pretty sure if you move on your wet spot.
Here, lift him up. Or, like, pick him up. Goofy?
And then it goes
right back to it. It's so cute.
You have to send that to Silver. He's just going.